8 years ago, and I remember how difficult it was. Really, so many expenses. Advertising, gas, photography. It's all very expensive, you know. So I put this class together to kind of show new realtors that we can do it. We gotta leverage your partnerships. You gotta create relationships, and you gotta be referral based. Now, this course is geared a little more towards the new realtors. Everyone can really benefit, but my new realtors, this is the reason why I put this class together. I wish that when I first started the business, something like this existed, where it taught me to organize my contacts, work my database, not pay a ridiculous amount of money for Realtor.com leads or Zillow.com leads when I really didn't even have the money, you know? So I really think that these new agents can really take advantage of this course and will boost your business in a short amount of time. What would take a regular realtor maybe 5 years will take you maybe 6 months to a year if you really are intentional and you make the right moves for 6 months to a year. An ebook, you can do a buyer and seller